G'day, I'm Dr. Kate from Bush Blitz, and you and me, are about to go on an adventure of a lifetime. I'm taking you on board the research vessel Investigator. This is an Australian government ship that enables world-class research across Australia's epic, and I mean epic, marine estate. Weather and internet permitting, I'll be posting live updates on who we're working with, where we're going, and most excitingly, what we find as we explore areas that are completely unknown to science. Let's do it.